This story is called The Farm Flu, written by Teresa Bateman, illustrated by Nadine Bernard Westcott. You'll like the pictures in this one. That's funny too. Alright, friends. Oh yeah, sit tight.
My mom's a farmer. So am I. We work the farm through wet and dry. But it was likely just as well that Mom was out of town a spell, when, marching through the morning dew, I heard the milk cow moo. Ka-choo! Poor thing, I said, you've got the flu. I'd never helped a sickly cow. I just know how to milk and plow. But I knew what my mom would do if I were me who had the flu. I tucked the Guernsey into bed with tissues for her stuffy head. I brought her hot alfalfa tea and fluffed her pillows hourly. The next day, I was up at dawn. The Guernsey cow kept snoring on. Ka-choo! 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 I heard a cock-a-doodle-doo, and then the chickens clucked. Ka-choo! I knew just what my mom would do if it were me who had the flu. The TV room became a coop. I brought them bowls of barley soup. The barnyard called with chores to do, but then the piglets squealed, ka-choo! I knew just what my mom would do if it were me who had the flu. I popped the piglets in the tub and gave them all a belly rub. Then, just when I was almost through, the turkeys gobbled out, ka-choo! I knew just what my mom would do if it were me who had the flu. They changed the channel, asked for snacks, said popcorn helped them to relax. They got out chess and checkers too, and then the donkey brayed, ka-choo! Hee-haw! Ka-choo! I knew just what my mom would do if it were me who had the flu. Reclining on the back porch swing, he asked for some of everything.
More popcorn, please.
And when a wild and woolly crew arrived and loudly bayed, ka-choo! 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 I knew just what my mom would do if it were me who had the flu. The attic had a little room. I cleaned it up with mop and broom and settled all my woolly guests while urging them to get some rest. That night I didn't get much sleep. My room was underneath the sheep. The house was filled with cluck, oink, moo. How odd, they all should catch the flu. Too sick to be outside, I see. Then you're too sick to watch TV. No toys, no games, just stay in bed. No popcorn, you'll have mush instead. A miracle! They all were cured. They hurried out without a word and galloped to the barn with glee, recuperating magically. I followed, but my steps were slow. I felt like half-baked sourdough. Relieved the end was now in view, I stumbled, blinked, and sneezed. Achoo! They quickly treated me for flu, exactly as my mom would do. The end. Aww.
Achoo! Oh, bless me. I better go get some chicken soup and go lay down. Alright, see you later.
Purchase my book at facebook.com Tumpsky and Mrs. Small/shop. Click on Show More to get more information. Click on the little I to see a synopsis of this book.
My favorite part is when he pulls those roots right out of the ground. And then he takes off down the path to make new friends.
And my favorite part is when the big bear chases him and they have to run and run and run. Yeah. I think my favorite part when he fell out of the water barrel and landed on his tummy, and oh my goodness, he broke his arm. Oh, that hurts. That gotta hurt. Oh, God, that's gotta hurt. Oh yeah.
I liked it when Al followed him everywhere he went. Yep.
My favorite part was when the fishermen, they jumped on the boat and they swam away. Yeah, it was funny.
Even though they did not have a flamingo in the story, well, Peekaboo, still liked it. Yep.
Subscribing is free. Get a free book on Patreon if you support us. We really need your help, friends, so we can keep on producing. Without you, there's no show. Subscribing is free. Click the bell for new shows. And look under Show More.
So what's up next?